Well, hello beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey. And so today's vlog, you guys, is going to be an introduction. And so I'm gonna give you guys a little backstory about me, my channel, all of the things, because guess what, y'all? We're at 8,088 subscribers. 8,088 members of the hashtag JTeam. So I felt like it is a good time to do an introduction because some of you guys don't really know who I am, and some of you guys may know who I am, and just you need a reminder. And so first things first, my name is Jessica and I go by Jess, hence the channel Jess Living Life. I am a wife and a mother of 3 beautiful girls. I am also a cookie baker full-time, and I also YouTube full-time. And so as of late, I am a stay-at-home mom, so I'm no longer working. That is a story for another day. So yeah, you guys, and so I'm officially embarking on the stay-at-home mom journey, which is super exciting and scary all at the same time. So yeah, so a little backstory about the fam. I am married to my wonderful husband, Joseph. We have been married for 9 years. A fun fact, we met on Facebook and we have been together ever since. Like I mentioned, we have 3 beautiful girls, Leah, who is 13, Carmen, who's 7, and Nora, who is 2. Most of you guys, if you have been here for a while, y'all know Nora was our YouTube baby. I documented my entire pregnancy on YouTube, including the birth, and Nora was super special because she was a gender surprise. So it was the first time that we did a gender surprise where we waited until our child was born before we found out the gender. And so we did that with her, and that was documented as well. If you want to see any of those videos, I have them in the description box, as well as a whole playlist dedicated to that. So feel free to look at that in all of my videos if you want to. So yeah, so about this channel is going to be all of the things. I love to do homemaking, DIYs. I love cooking, I love shopping, I love doing things with my husband and my girls. And so yeah, so that is what this channel is going to encompass, and hopefully that is something that you guys like. I plan to give you guys all of the motivation and all of the things, just because there's different tips and tricks that I know that you may not know, and vice versa. So let me know down in the comments below, what are some things that you would love to see on these vlogs. I would love to hear about it in the comment section below. But that is it, you guys. Just a little brief introduction. I can't wait to see you guys with all of my daily vlogs. And so if that is something that you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. But that's going to be it for this video, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.